pull into Amber Cove. Here's the first look at it through a dirty window. There's people down there getting off the ship. So we're going to eat and then go down there and investigate.
We're in Amber Cove in the Dominican Republic.
Okay.
They welcomed us.
Yes. Have you been here before?
No, I haven't. I've been in the Bahamas, but I haven't been to this particular area.
Yeah. I'm not even sure where I am.
You're down there.
Yeah. I'm going to need a map with a pen in it or something. Let me just video this place because we pulled into a beautiful harbor here. Over here is the town of Amber Cove, I guess you could say. There's some people way out on the end there. Yesterday this was so crowded you couldn't walk through here. But it's port day, so we don't have too many people in the pool. I finally found the gangway off the ship, so we're doing better. Now we can actually walk into town.
Well, this is a real island here. Okay, they got over there a slide thing.
Water park. Little village over here.
Sky bar.
So this is all shopping. Diamonds, Marketplace, Dominicans, restaurants. Then the Aqua Zone.
Poolside loungers, rentals, water sports, beach bar.
That's 14 through 22 area.
Right over to the right.
Ah.
And all that. Oh, that's that beach area we can go.
Okay, here's our ship. Carnival Magic. And our room is up in front. That's the Amber Cove coming up. Looks like they're dedicated to shopping.
Yeah, they say they said it's the number one thing to do on a cruise. It's not food, it is shopping. And boy, did we get all the shopping information.
Oh boy, an hour and a half of it.
Oh yeah, it was really interesting to watch. Yeah, it was. So we're going into a shopping mall now.
Yeah, hide your visa. Walked into a beautiful greeting center for shopping. So plenty of fragrances, drinks. In the back is tobacco over there. Got a tasting bar. A lot of alcohol and drinks, lots of that. And over here, glasses, jewelry.
Dominican spiced rum. Well, I found the perfect shady spot. Hello. This is a good spot. You're gonna go for the stuff. Be forewarned. About halfway there, it gets hot on your feet.
I am lounging. Just can't remember where I am. What's the name of this place?
Well, let me look at my pineapple. We're at Coco Lounge.
What's the name of this port?
Dominican Republic.
I forgot the name of
Port thing. We don't know where we're at.
What a place here in Amber Cove. Beautiful facility they built for tourists to come in here and play. It was a great lagoon party, and we say thank you here to the bar. It gave us a couple of the best tropical drinks we've ever had.
Oh, this is where it all happens. Look at Randy's technique here for keeping cool. Nice cold water bottle on his back. It's actually empty, I just don't want to lose the bottle. Can we see that? Wow. Good. Oh, that's it. It keeps you hydrated.
Exactly.
So it's a health drink.
Yes, exactly.
You can see what that's like.
Oh, yeah. We got our pina coladas in the Dominican Republic. Let's see what they're like. Well, sir, what do you think of your pina colada?
This one's a high octane.
Yeah. We got a little slit on the top of this. I think you could put a torch on it.
Yeah. I'm sure this would light up.
Yeah. It's good though. If you like a little flammable fluid in here, but it's still tasty. Nice surroundings we're in. You can't beat this. We welcome all to the Dominican Republic.
High bar, huh? Sam's investigating.
We were just commenting on how beautifully green these trees are, palm trees are.
Coming out of the water lagoon area back into the nice center they built here for tourists when they get off the ship. You can see the ship in the background there. Uh-oh, I just spotted Diamonds International. Sam's been very interested in that, so I suppose we'll be going there next.
Guess what it's made from? Snail slime. Oh, this is our chance to do product review. Okay. We are at the port, and it's age-defy serum, which everybody really needs, don't they?
Yeah.
Randy couldn't guess what the serum was made of, and it's made of snail slime.
Snail slime.
I guess it's because snails move so slowly that if you put this on your face, it slows the aging process. It just calls it along. And it's yours for $65. Bargain. $120. And for you gentlemen out there who are fans of Tom Ford, which who isn't, right? This is Oud Wood perfume, and it's yours at this port for $4.94. I think King Kong lives over there.
Looks
Take a
like
look.
it. Yeah. That's the home of King King Kong back there.
Yeah. That's your spaghetti carbonara, huh?
Yeah, which I'm not real familiar with.
Well, we'll see, because you got a white sauce. Usually they think of it as the old-fashioned fettuccine.
Yeah.
Here they've had and bacon's in there. Sometimes they put peas in it, but that doesn't have enough sauce on it.
Not much at all.
No.
Got a little piece of bacon.
Yeah, I'm glad we didn't order that as the main entree.
And spring roll.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Thank you. Then I had this thing, whatever it was.
Well, this is noodles with a bacon flavor.
All right, so you got noodles with a bacon flavor.
Yeah.
Is it tender? Is it juicy? Is it delicious?
It's kind of tender. Of course, I don't know what to compare it to. I'm not used to eating this.
You've had fettuccine Alfredo.
A lot.
Okay, this is fettuccine supposedly.
I'm a sauce person. I guess that's what it comes down. I like gravies and sauces.
Sauces. You're very Italian.
Yeah.
And they don't have any sauce on there, do they?
No. I mean, no.
Okay.
No. Not my favorite. I won't get it again.
You won't get that again. Okay.
Welcome to my Southern Fried Chicken dinner. I got lots of chicken here, and I got some broccoli. But look at this here ordering.
Oh, that's
mashed
massive.
potatoes, yeah.
You're going to need a lot more butter for that,
I
right?
think so. Well, I got a little right here to get started.
Okay, I'm excited about your first bite into that chicken.
Yes.
Because that's not Popeyes.
Well, let's see. We'll start over with this
Or
thing.
the kernels. Ooh, you had to gnaw on that.
Well, it's white meat, so.
Oh, that's not your favorite.
Oh, it's good, huh?
Well, it's a little dry, of course.
Put some water with it.
Yeah, I may need more fluids.
Well, that's white meat anyway, normally. Yeah, okay. Okay, take another shot. Yeah, they cooked that this afternoon when we came in.
No, this chicken's a little old. You're right, it was cooked a little old.
Yeah.
Been sitting out for a
I
while.
remember that. Remember when we came on ship? I said, "Oh, they're making that chicken. I can smell it." And sure enough, they were having chicken tonight.
Yeah.
So it's been sitting there quite a few hours. So you got to do something like
It's
that.
kind of lost its flavor because there's no heat in it or warmth anymore.
Oh no!
It does
Cold
take-
chicken.
They've kept it in a warmer or something where
Yeah,
it starts getting dried out.
Yeah, it's dried out the skin. You can see when they plopped it down on your.
Yeah.
Now this, however, we'll see.
I never complain at a restaurant. During my lifetime, I just don't do that. I just suffer through things. But I sent it back this time and told them it just wasn't very good and replace it. So after I did that, I was a little nervous about that. But then it feels good that I stood up for myself.
It did.
Because it was not very good.
And they knew that when they served it.
Yeah, it's dried out chicken.
Yeah. Well, good for you. I'm proud of my big brother.
Yes.
Yeah, have a sip. Wash down the glory. All right, got redelivered.
Yeah, well, dinner number 2, eggplant parmesan. And this is good.
Yeah.
It's
Great.
It's cheesy, it's warm, it's tasty.
A good save then.
Yeah,
All right.
I should have known better.
Yeah. Randy will give now his dessert review. Tell me about your banana cream pie.
Well, it is banana cream pie.
It was?
It is banana cream pie.
Oh, good.
But it was okay. I mean, if I had to rate it on a scale of 10, it's a 5.
Oh, why is that?
Well, it's not real flavorful.
No, I didn't notice very much of that.
Yeah, you could, but you can taste the banana. but they've had it frozen. It's a frozen pie.
Yeah, mine is too, right in the middle of it.
I was eating it slowly, waiting for the middle of the frozen part to finally kind of
Yeah,
come
okay.
around,
So there we go. That's it.
But you know, hey, I got away. I had a near miss with the fried chicken, so that was saved by the nice Italian meal there. So,
Well, here's cheers to just enjoying yourself anyway.
dinner on Carnival.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the dessert was pretty good. It was banana cream pie. Well, let me modify the good. If you're used to just going to the market and going over to the frozen food section and grabbing a banana cream pie, a frozen one in the box, bringing it home, opening it up, and eating it, that's what we got tonight.
Yeah. Well, then on to our next event, which is we're going to hit the Nutrient Spa for the evening.
Oh, you're going to go that mineral bath?
Yeah.
Oh, that could be, okay.
Oh, that'll help top off everything.
Yeah, let's go check that out.
All right.
Actually, look behind me. This looks really nice, actually.
That's beautiful. The moon's out above your head. Beautiful. Half moon. And we're going up to our private spa area. Oh, they're waiting for us. Where's the sound? His spa outfit coming out. May I help you with your cloud spa?
Yes, I'm here for my appointment.
Yes, sir. Right this way, sir.
Out ashore and came back, and our room's been cleaned, and this little guy